Hello traders, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. How are you doing? Hey, today I want to talk to you about a tool that I use, and it's absolutely free to you, okay? No strings attached, nothing whatsoever. Absolutely free. It's on a page on our website. It's on this page that I'm showing you right now. And the link will be in the YouTube description down below the video. Just open it up and you will see the link in there, and the name of it is Double Your Money Calculator. 100% free, no strings attached. You don't have to fill out your name, email, or anything, okay? And what you'll do is you'll go to this page right here. Scroll down to right there, okay? That's simple. And here's the calculator. Let me back up for a minute, okay? I get kind of excited when I talk about this. One of the things that I like to do as a goal, and I don't shoot myself if I don't make my goal, but I certainly work hard to do it. And this is where the Road to Wealth account comes in, and doubling your money. That's my goal, to double my money every year. So 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20, 20 to 20 to 40. You get the picture, right? So my year, and again, this calculator was made for me, so I use 210 trading days as my trading year, and it accounts for natural market holidays, sick days for me, a couple, 3 weeks off maybe for me. I forget exactly how I calculated that, and maybe some blue sky off as well. So it works out to about 210 possible trading days. So everything is figured in with that. So just simply enter your starting balance in here and click enter. That's all you got to do. So to double, let me get my pen out here or something, make that blue. To double 5,000 bucks to 10,000 bucks, all you've got to do is net profit each day, $23.81. Now, I'm not promoting day trading. That's not what I'm doing here. I just want to show you how simple, what a little number it is. Every time I tell somebody this, and I use $5,000, I think, my goodness, I can average $23.81 a day profit. I can, okay? And I think anybody can. Per week, it's just $119.05. And then per month, it's $476.19. That's all you have to profit. So you see, you don't have to have big home runs. You don't need that. Make those little trades, those swings. That's what I like, is little swings. There you go. Now, these are net, and we all know we're going to have losses. So I'm not trying to hide from losses here. I know you're going to have losses. I have losses. But this is just showing you what number. A lot of times we don't know, or we don't, as traders, sometimes we don't take the time to actually figure out what is the number I have to make. It's always, I want more, I want more, I want more, right? Well, maybe that's not the answer, okay? So let's try this in a different way. Let's turn this number to $8,000. Say you have $8,000 in your trading account. Just change it to 8. Click enter, and it changes. Now all you have to do is net profit, $38.10 a day on average. Per week, on average, $190.48. And per month, $761.90 per month, and you will double your money to $16,000. This is a really cool calculator. It's 100% free. So make sure you grab this link, okay? Grab this link, save it, and then you can always go to it and do this, all right? Okay, let's talk about the position size percent. Now, this is tricky, okay? This is really, really tricky. And this is where you're going to need to be a little bit honest with yourself, okay? Basically, are you a good trader? All right? Are you an ace? Are you? Are you a good trader? Are you? Or are you a mediocre trader? In other words, mediocre meaning, you're struggling. Maybe you just started. And if you just started, you're not even mediocre yet. So mediocre, struggling, mediocre, just starting. They're kind of in that lower category, and that's okay. We all had to start somewhere, so it is okay. All right. But this is where, remember, we've already put our number up here. Now, what percent of our account do we want to trade? So if you have $8,000 and you want to trade 10% of your account in one single position, your position size is going to be $800. And for one single trade, you're going to have to make 4.76% profit to get your money. All right? To equal what you need up here. If you have two trades on, and all you need is 2.38% to equal your goal up here. So you might hear me talk about goals when I share a chart, or if you watch our episodes, our case study episodes. You might hear me say, okay, I closed this position out for 40%. Maybe it still looked bullish and looked like it go higher. I'm after goals. I'm not after ripping the bark off a tree. Okay, I'm after goals. I want to collect those goals. So, and maybe you're just starting out, you're struggling. We'll lower this number to maybe 3%. You're only spending $800 per position. Okay. For a single trade, you'll have, let's see, did I hit enter? There we go. For a single trade, you're going to have to make 15.8% to cover your goals up here. If you're in two trades, you only have to make profit 17.94% to meet your goals. For three trades, only 5.29%, assuming all three trades are green, bullish, and no losses in there, okay? Now, we know we have losses, so you have to count for that. But this gives you your net number. As an example, today is September 9th, 2025, okay? My net profit for today is $574.32. If I closed everything out right now, I would be up for the day $574.32. Well, how much money? And I can tell you right now, this is the Road to Wealth account, and let's put a 5 right in there. $8,500. We're on our way to $10,000, or from the original amount. Okay, so maybe let's do this. Let's actually take this down to 5. There we go. No. There we go. There. So now, remember, for our month, if I closed out everything for the day, it would be $574.32. And I would have made my monthly goal. I'd be in cash. I would have to start some new positions all over again. All right? But there I am. It's really simple to do that. And I took some profits today on SOUN for, I posted it in the room here. I took some profits on SOUM. I know I posted it there. Huh. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It was UU. UU is where I took some profits today. And that was 50%. I took a 50% profit on it. And that included, with the positions I'm holding, I would be up $574. Okay? So just plug in your number. It's really simple. If you have $25,000, just plug in 25, click enter, and your average per day is $119 you have to profit, almost $600 a week, and $23.80 for a month, and you'll double your account to 50%, or $550,000. Oh, it's the end of the day. So remember, there's going to be losses. These are net numbers, not gross numbers, net numbers. And then you can adjust how much you want to risk right in here. So again, you've got to be honest with yourself. How much money do you want to risk? Say you're looking to risk 14%. Then you can see on 25,000 how much money you'd have to risk, right? Let's change this to 85. There we go. $8,500. Now how much money were we risking at 14%? $1,190. Single gain or a single trade, you'd have to be up 3.4%. 2 trades, 1.0% or more in each trade. And then 3 is 1.13% in each trade. Remember, if you have a loss out there, that goes against you. Okay? So anyway, please capture this link. It is in the this YouTube video below. Capture this link and come in here. And like I said, this is what you're going to see first thing. Just scroll down right here and use that calculator. And of course, if you are interested, please take our 14-day VIP Fast Start program. Your first week, you'll have member credentials, a planning call with me. I will call you. We will set up some planning, identify your goals and your needs, set up an action plan, 3 educational ebooks, 1 video, the continuation pattern course. And then the second week, we'll look at another coaching call from myself. We'll look at our action plan progress and review it. We'll review some charts, new action plan, 2 ebooks, and the rounded bottom breakout video course that is a monster. There's a lot of information there. It's excellent. It's one of my favorite trade patterns, and it's used all around the world. Thank you very much for watching the video. Appreciate a couple thumbs up if you liked it. We'll see you later. Take care.